Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Inter network password conditional in Windows 7 8.1.10. So very easy way guys. If you went to network issues, so firstly click on start. After click on control panel. After click on control panel, select large icons. After click on network and sharing center. And here you click on change advanced sharing setting. After click on turn on network discovery, turn on file and printing sharing. After click on all network and here turn off public folders reset and here use 128-bit yes and here option turn off password protect sharing. So check this box, turn off. After click on save change. Like this. And after refresh and restart your PC. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix internet network password cardinal in Windows 7 and 8.1.10 or 11 easy way. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and please comment any issues for network. So please comment this video helpful or not. Thank you for watching.